Today I want to discuss the way by which we calculate median. My dear student, before starting median, I want to define median. The middlemost observation in the data is known as median. How will you calculate the median of group data or continuous frequency distribution? The formula by which we calculate the median of the continuous frequency distribution or group data is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency CF divided by F into H, where L is equal to lower limit of the median class, sigma Fi is equal to n, sum of frequency, number of observation, and F is frequency of the median class, H is size of the median class, and CF is cumulative frequency. My dear students, by taking help of this formula, we can determine the median of the following distribution table. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the student. Weight in kg 40 to 50. Number of student 40 to 50. Number of student 3. 50 to 55. Number of students 8. 55 to 60. Number of students 6. 60 to 65. Number of students 6. 65 to 70. Number of students 3. And 70 to 75. Number of students 2. So how will you calculate median? We make a table. 40 to 45. Number of students Fi 2. And cumulative frequency is 2. 45 to 50. Frequency is 3. And we add the frequency of first class interval and second class interval and write it under the table of cumulative frequency 5. 50 to 55. Number of students 8. 8 plus 5 13. 55 to 60. Number of students 6. 6 plus 13 19. 60 to 65. Number of students 6. 6 plus 19 25. 65 to 70. Number of students 3. 25 plus 3 28. 70 to 75. Number of students 2. 2 plus 28 30. So sigma Fi is equal to 30. So we have sigma Fi is equal to 30. N by 2 is equal to 15. So 15 lies in the cumulative frequency 90. And in front of cumulative frequency 19, we have an interval 55 to 55 to 60. So median class is 55 to 60. Try to listen. How will you determine median class? We will calculate n by 2, that is 15. And 15 is under the cumulative frequency 19. And in front of 19, there is a class interval 55 to 60. So median class will lie in the median class will be 55 to 60. So my dear students, median class is 55 to 60. Lower limit of median class L is equal to 55. Cumulative frequency just before the median class 30. Cumulative frequency L is equal to 55 to 60, and cumulative frequency just before the median class is equal to cumulative frequency is equal to 13 just before the median class, and F is equal to 6, means frequency of median class is 6 and H is 5. By using the formula L is equal to n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 55 plus 55 minus 13 by 6 into 5. So it will be 55 plus 2 by 2 into 5. That is 55 plus 1.67. So it will be 56.67 if the median of the distribution, problem number 2. So median is 56.67. So my dear students, now here frequency of median class F and CF cumulative frequency. So now if the median of the distribution, you must make clear while you will write formula, you must make clear this CF is cumulative frequency just preceding the median class. 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 Median class. So you make it clear. So now by putting this value of different elements in the formula, we will get, we here get मीडियंस. प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, मीडियन के फार्मूला को 2, 3, 4 बार लिखें और इसके हर एक एलिमेंट को पहचानें और इस सवाल को बनावें ताकि आपको कन्फ्यूजन नहीं हो. मैं आगे के वीडियो में और डिफरेंट टाइप एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसमें और मीडियन पर सवाल, जब लेस देन सीरीज और मोर देन हो, चूँकि अभी उस तरह का सवाल पूछेगा नहीं और अभी इसलिए हम उसको डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. इफ द मीडियन ऑफ द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन गिवन बिलो इज 28.5, इन दिस प्रॉब्लम मीडियन इज गिवन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई. सो क्लास इंटरवल इज 0 to 10, frequency is 5, 10 to 20, frequency is x, 20 to 30, frequency is 20, 30 to 40, frequency is 15, 40 to 50, frequency is y, 50 to 60, frequency is 5, and total frequency is 60. Now I here make a table. Class interval 0 to 10, Fi 5, cumulative frequency 5, 10 to 20, Fi x and Cf 5 plus x, 20 to 30, Fi 20 and Cf 25 plus x, 30 to 40, Fi 15 and Cf 40 plus x, 40 plus 50, Cf is 40 plus x plus y, 50 plus 60, Fi 5, 45 plus x plus y, and Fi is 60. So my dear student, here median is given 28.5 and median class is 20 to 30. Median class is 20 to 30 because median 28.5, median is 28.5 and 28.5s here 28.5s, it is more than 25s. So 28.5 is median. So it will lie between 20 to 30, 25 plus x, 25 plus x. So median class will be 20 to 30. And n by 2 is equal to 30. Lower limit of median class 10. H matlab width of median class 10. Cumulative frequency just preceding the median class 5 plus x and frequency of median class 20. We put all these elements in this formula. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. And by simplifying, we will get the result x is equal to 65 minus 57, that is 8. Since sigma fi is equal to 60, so 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. 45 plus x plus y, sum of all cumulative frequency. Now 45 plus 8 plus y is equal to 60. Y is equal to 60 minus 53. So y is equal to 7. So required value of x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. My dear students, now I want to discuss some multiple type of question which are based on this formula. In formula x bar, arithmetic mean plus sigma fi di, sigma fi, for finding the mean of group data, di's are deviation from arithmetic mean of lower limit of the classes, upper limit of the classes, midpoint of the classes, frequency of the class mark. Now, option C is correct. Di is equal to xi minus arithmetic mean. Xi is what? Class mark or midpoint of the class. Xi is what? Here you see xi is xi of 0 to 10 is 5. This xi is 10 plus 20, 30 divided by 2, 15. So, here option will be C, midpoint of the class. DI का deviation किससे है? Class mark से है. It is also known as midpoint. So, option C is correct. My dear student, question number 2. If xi's are the midpoints of the class interval of group data, fi's are the corresponding frequencies and x bar is the mean, then sigma fi xi minus x bar is equal to 0, minus 1, 1, 2. Since x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n, or x bar is equal to sigma fi xi by n, number of observation. So now we write here instead of x bar sigma fi xi minus x bar. Now you see x bar is equal to, now sigma fi xi minus x bar is equal to how much? Since sigma phi xi minus x bar is equal to sigma phi xi minus sigma x bar. So they are one observation. So sigma x bar means nx bar. And sigma phi xi is equal to nx bar from this equation first. Sigma phi xi is equal to n into x bar. And sigma x bar is equal to nx bar. So nx bar minus nx bar 0. विद्यार्थियों ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, आई वांट टू डिस्कस हाउ यू कैलकुलेट मीन बाय जनरल मेथड और deviation method or shortcut method, both are same, and also how you calculate median. And there is a very important formula, mod is equal to 3 median minus twice mean. The empirical formula is very, very important. My dear students, now in next video I will discuss all the things. I hope you have understood, followed me, and by watching the videos and attending the classes, I hope you would be in a position to solve the problem in first pre-midterm exams. Thank you very much.